Alright, you guys, we are at Dollar Tree. And we are thinking about doing Dollar Tree Thursdays again. Let us know if you guys want us to do a couple more Dollar Tree Thursdays. We haven't done one in a while. I think I'm ready. So comment below if you guys want us to do a Dollar Tree Thursday. But today, we want to do a walkthrough of the Dollar Tree. Alright, so right here, they have a bunch of these. I always get these from Manny. Put them in the car. This is body lotion, and it's a pretty big package, 8 fluid ounce. So I usually buy him the cocoa butter in that one. They have these. Look at all the makeup. Look how cute this is. This is eye color. Man, your favorite department. Look at this, eyelash curlers. They got all this here. And I seen this. Babe, can you scan this? I want to see if we can sell these. Look at this. These are LA colors. And it's scented lip balms. So they got the grape. They have the berry sweet, which I'm going to get this one. They also have the mint. And then look like these are the same ones. Alright, again, so this right here, I've never seen this here, but it's the Arm & Hammer. And it's foot powder. Helps control foot odor.
Right. Yeah,
oh. Manny's feet stink. Yeah, you guys, this is at the Dollar Tree. That means it's not going to break us. I'm going to get this shelf, and the shelf up here. Manny will have a year's supply of foot powder. So that's a pretty good deal right here. They got a bunch of deodorants down here, razors. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in forever. They got a bunch of soft soaps, hand soaps. Look at all these. Can you guys say hand sanitizer all over? Extra care. Look at how cute this is. That's nice. Liquid hand soap. This is Dial. I've never seen this. Limited edition too. Look at that. It's a pretty big bottle, you guys. This is an 8.5 fluid ounce. So that's a good size. I might grab a few of these. Here's some more soaps down here. They got a bunch of tissues. We got a bunch of Band-Aids, Advil, a bunch of masks, some cups. Here's some frozen food. All right, they got cups. They got containers. They got cleaning supplies, and they have, boom, toilet paper. Look at that. Paper towels, napkins, whatever you guys need. All right, here's some art supplies. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. Sticker kit. That's cute. All right. Look at these pretty dishes. Look at the design, you guys. These are all 99 cents. We're at the Dollar Tree. Or sorry, dollar. We're at the Dollar Tree. So they have the coffee mugs. Super pretty. Look at that print. They have the bowls. Look like they have the salad plates and the dinner plates. Ooh, pretty heavy too. This is heavy. For this to be the Dollar Tree, that is super heavy. And then they also had these pretty glasses right here. Look at this. Look how pretty that is. Oh, Dollar Tree done came up. Alright, look down here. Alright, if you guys need any bags, if you guys got any birthdays coming up, look at the bowls. You guys know that the bowls that I use, I don't use these, even though they're $1. I don't use these. I actually use the 90% off bowls I get for Christmas. And it looks just like this. And I probably paid about 9 to 10 cents. All right, they got some tape down here, Scotch tape. Birthday wrap. Oh, look at this, Manny. This is cute. They have Minnie Mouse paper. Wow, that's a good deal for $1. Let's see what else they have. Oh, look at these princess ones. This one's cute. Look at that Disney princess. That's paper. You got Mickey. 90 Years of Magic. Look at that. But you guys, a tip from Angel on the Go, we don't even use that kind of wrapping paper, even though it's only $1. We actually use the wrapping paper that we get off 90% off, because some of it don't even have Christmas trees on it. So that's another tip. Look at all these cards. If you guys are looking for any birthday cards or anything like that, look at this. 2 for $1. I have my nonprofit, so we send out birthday cards to all the kids in my nonprofit. And I always come here to get the 2 for $1. And we send them little birthday cards, which they love. Look at how cute that is. Got the glitter. Dogs. So they got a bunch of cards. 2 for $1. Alright, here's some gardening stuff. Here's some Easter cards. These are also 2 for $1. Look at all these cards down here. Manny, you gonna do some gardening? Here's some seeds that Manny could use. Oh look, 4 for $1. You get 4 for $1. All right, so we can get some, what is that? Beans?
Yeah, I'm a garden.
You can start eating healthy.
Okay, I'll buy it.
All right, let's see what's over here. They got a bunch of Easter stuff. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. They have Kool-Aid cotton candy. I'm officially done now. I done seen it all. Look at this. Kool-Aid cotton candy. You want it? Okay, you guys. I'm going to get this from Manny. You know he wants it. All right, you got a bunch of... Can you hold that? Thanks. They have a bunch of light bulbs. They got some down here. Look at all the DVDs they have. So if you guys are looking for some cheap DVDs, you got the Dollar Tree. Let me show you a few. I haven't heard of any of these movies. What's this? The Mystery of the Jurassic. Is this a fake Jurassic Park? That's a bootleg one.
That's probably like that.
No, that's a...
Dinosaurs.
I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, Save Our Skins. I'm not watching that. Not at all. All right, so they got a... Is that, not Predator, what's his name? Terminator?
No. More like RoboCop anyway.
RoboCop, that's the name. Robot World. All right, so if you guys are looking for DVDs, they got enough. Look at all these down here. Wait, does that say Venom? Venom. Oh, that's not Venom. It says Venom. I thought that was... All right, I was about to grab this, you guys. My son's favorite Marvel character is Venom, and I thought this was it because I seen this. I seen this like this. Oh man, I thought I got lucky. All right, maybe next time. All right, they got a bunch of car stuff here. They got some tools if you guys need them. I don't know what any of these are. Super glue.
You got Gorilla Glue?
No, they don't have Gorilla Glue here, but please don't put this on your scalp. Please don't do it. Okay, you got a bunch of, ooh. Okay, now look. They got 9 lives in Dollar Tree, but we still got a better deal at Walmart. So if you guys need cat food, they got cat treats. Oh, this is nice. I might grab a couple of these for the cat. Oh, look. The world's strongest cat meow. Wait, is this, catnip? Okay, I'm gonna get some of this. My cat loves catnip. Manny, we should have got a cart. All right, there's some Doggy Pads. If you are training your dog, they got a ton of stuff. Look at that, Manny. You know, these things be expensive in the store. Flea and tick squeeze on. So I guess you take the little thing and you squeeze in the back of the cat's ear. Those things are expensive. I might get, you need to get 2. So we got 2 cats. All right, so we're gonna grab 2 of these. I told you to get a cart. Look at Manny's hands. I told him to get a cart. All right, so we got a lot of body wash. Babe, right here. Right here. You need this. You guys, Manny's beard is starting to turn gray. So I think I'm gonna sneak this into the cart. Let me grab one. I'm gonna sneak it into the cart. All right, let's hope this works on Manny. All right, so you got a bunch of conditioner, a lot of hair stuff. I'm looking for the rubber bands for my girl's hair. Let me see if I can find them. These are always good right here, especially from the Dollar Tree. I always get these for my girl's hair, and if I want to throw my hair in a ponytail. So these are some really pretty ones. I haven't seen these yet. Oh, you got a card. Okay, got it. Thank you. And I'm gonna get these right here. Okay, I'm gonna get these. I'm looking for all black. You see all black? All right, I'm gonna have Manny help me look for all black. It's starting to get crowded in here. So I'm gonna go down this way. Ooh, look at all the socks they have. Look at this. They got the Fisher Price baby wipes. I've never seen Fisher Price. Look at that, Fisher Price baby wipes. They didn't have this when our kids were little. We went to the Dollar Tree. They had the cheap ones. And that's a pretty big pack. This is 64 wipes. So if you guys want to run to the Dollar Tree, that's a good price. You might want to scan those. They got the blue ones. They got these. They got these that have 72. Oh. And they got, I think these are the same ones. Let me pick this one up. No, these are different. This is red and green. So this one also has 72. Great price. They have a ton of socks. All right, if you need some baby bottles, baby brushes, pacifiers, I do not need any more of this stuff. We are done, right? Want to have one more?
Huh?
One more.
Sorry.
You want one more?
I got too many.
We got a set of twins. We know how to shop. Ooh, look at all this candy. This is why we don't bring our kids to the Dollar Tree because it's way too much. These are Manny's favorite. Which ones are they? This one. Manny loves these. Look at all this. Oh, these are good right here. They got the watermelon, the Snickers. I'm so tired. Snickers, peanut butter, Lifesaver gummies. So if you guys have a sweet tooth, run to the Dollar Tree. Oh, my daughter loves these. Look, Angelique. This is what you're not getting, Angelique. No more candy. All right, so really, Manny? Really? You gotta be that parent?
That's my baby girl, so.
Manny spoils the girls like crazy. All right, you got a bunch of ramen soups here. Top ramen. Look at that, they got waffles. They got waffles, look at that, Manny. Oh, here's banquet, brown. Ooh, they got the whole thing. Pancake breakfast. Oh, that looks good. French toast. Oh, they got hot dogs over here. They got fries. Tyson appetizers. They got a bunch of stuff. They got frozen fruit. They got these pot pies.
You gotta stay away from those.
Oh no, those were nasty. If you guys haven't seen our Dollar Tree Thursday when we did these right here, Fast Bites, these were really nasty. You guys gotta go see that video.
I'll put it in the link below.
Yeah, we'll put in a link. All right, they got a bunch of frozen stuff. Oh, I love Texas toast. So good. They got these pizza snacks. Oh, they got Sonic ice cream bars. Look at that. Look at that. They got the Cool Whip. You guys, we haven't been in here forever. All right, so let's see what they had over here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. They got the Twix cookies and cream ice cream bar. They have the regular Twix ice cream bar. They have the Snickers, which is my favorite. They have the M&M's cookie sandwiches. Oh no. Oh man. No, what is this one? Oh, that's a chocolate reduced fat ice cream. It just says chocolate. Oh, look at that. That's just a chocolate. But I like this one. This one's my favorite. Manny. Can we get this? We can?
All
Alright, we gonna get it. Which one you want? You wanna try the chocolate? You know I'm gonna try some of your chocolate and end up eating both. That's how it is when you have a wife. Okay, we're gonna try this one. And oh man, this is about the whole thing.
It might be too much time.
Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, Manny's getting this one. So we're gonna try it in the car. They have the orange sherbet, which is one of my favorites. This is the unicorn birthday cake. I've never seen that. I love mint chocolate chip. What's this? Oh, mighty big cookie sandwich. Oh, Manny, I'm trying to stay healthy. Well, it says vegan.
It's gonna melt before you get to it.
It says vegan. Look, right there, real fast. It says vegan. Look, it's vegan. It's good for you.
It's not vegan, number one.
They got this one. It doesn't say which one this is, but there's two different. Let me see. Oh, it's the same packaging. So this is what it looks like. You want to try one? Oh, look at this. Oh, it's cold. All right, you guys know I get cold easy, but I'm in this freezer to show you guys what's new at the Dollar Tree. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up because it's cold. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. I'm gonna do something. Hold on. Oh, no. It's too cold. You do it. Angel on the go. Go on. Like this.
No, that's good.
Angel. I don't think they can see it. On. They'll go. All right. Let's see if you guys can see it. I wrote Angel. On. Go. Go.
No problem is, right?
Boom.
When
What?
you do this, you're supposed to do it backwards. So when you close the door.
Oh. Ah, they seen it. Okay, you guys seen it, right? Give me a thumbs up. All right, so they got the Snicker Ice Cream Bar. And you know what's nice about this is that the spoon comes inside. They got the Twix. Oh, this is so good. I love this one. Butter pecan ice cream. They got a bunch more unicorn back there. Ooh, my favorite. Ooh, Minute Maid. You know, they sell these at Universal and Disney World for like $80, you guys. And you can get at the Dollar Tree. So when we go back to Disney, I'm going to definitely come here first and sneak these inside. You can actually bring food inside these parks, if you guys didn't know that. Ooh, they got the frozen orange. Look at that, you guys. And they had a lemonade. And they got this whole box. Oh, I used to love these. These icy blue raspberry ice things. Comes in a cup. So you get 4 cups for only $1. That means 25 cents a cup. Now I gotta get out of here because it is cold. All right. So, I think we went through the whole Dollar Tree. Look how cute this is. They got Ryan's World Band-Aids. That is too cute. They got Hatchimals Band-Aids. So if your kids love these characters, this is the perfect time to run to the Dollar Tree. Wonder Woman. Oh, look at Wonder Woman. Looks all updated. Let's see if there's any more. Okay. All right, I think that is it. My son used to love Ryan's World. Now he doesn't watch it. But these are super cute. All right, so I think we're ready. Ready? I don't want our ice cream to melt. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share this video. All right, so let us know if you guys want us to do another Dollar Tree Thursday, or if you guys want us to continue to do it. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye. Bye. I'm eating both your ice creams. Bye. Bye. Peace, Manny. Bye. I'm eating both. Bye.